everyone. Today we start our topic, that is exercise 1.2. Okay. So first one, write the next three natural numbers after 10999. We have to write the next numbers. Okay. After this. After means find the successor. Successor means you have to add 1 to the digit. Okay. First number we can find. The first number that comes after this is, how will you find? 10999 plus 1. You have to add 1. After means successor. Successor. Okay. Successor is we have to add 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 1, 1. 11,000. That's the first number after coming this. The next, second number, we have to find three numbers. Okay. Next one is add 1 to this number. That is 10011. 11,001. Then third number is, you can easily find add 1. That is 20011. 11,002. The three numbers like this it is coming now. 10,999, then 11,000, then 11,001 and 11,002. These are the three numbers after this 10,999. But after is there, that means successor. Successor means you have to add 1 to the given number. Then we will get the successor of that number. Then again you have to find the successor of second number. Then add 1 to the second number. Then we will get the third one. Okay. Please write three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. Okay. Before means we have to find the predecessor. Okay. Before means predecessor. That means we have to subtract 1. Predecessor means subtract 1. Okay. First number. We can find the first number by subtracting 1 from this number. 0. Then 0, 0. One more 0 is there. 10,000. Okay. First number is 10,000. Then second number, we have to subtract 1 from this 10,000. Okay. Minus 1. What is that? 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. This is the second number. Okay. Then third number. Subtract 1 from this 9,999. 9 minus 1, 8, 9, 9, 9. 900, 9,908. These are the three numbers. Which is the smallest whole number? The small whole numbers are starting from 0. The smallest whole number is 0. Okay. Then, how many whole numbers are there in between 32 and 53? In between these 32 and between, how many whole numbers are there? You have to find that. Representing in number line, it is very difficult. 32, the next is what? 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Like that, we have to find up to 53. In between 32 and 53. We are not counting this 32. For that, we have to subtract this 32 from 53. Then we will get 21. Then we are not taking this, counting this 53 and 32. 32 we are not counting. Now after 30, between means from 33 only we are taking. 33 to 52. This one. Okay. Therefore, first you subtract 53 and 32. We will get 21. And we have to subtract 1 more because we are not counting this 30. Therefore, we have to subtract 1 from this number. And we will get 20. 20 is the answer. 20 numbers are there in between these 32 and 53. Okay. First you have to subtract 53 minus 32, we will get 21. Then we have to subtract this 32 also, one more number, because we are not counting this 32 and this 53. Okay, in between means We have to count from this 33 to 52. Okay, we'll get 20 numbers. 33 to 52. Okay. The successor of these numbers. Successor means adding 1. Okay, successor of this number. Just add 1 to this number. Then we get the successor. Plus 1. That is 2, 0, 7, 0, 4, 4, 2. This is the successor. 2, 4, 4, 0, 7, 0, 2. 2, 4, 4, 0, 7, 0, 1. 1 is the 700, 1 is there. The successor of 701 is 702. Like that we can also find. 701 is the last 3 digit. Then successor of 701 is 702. Then this one 10,199. 199 plus 1 is what? Successor of 199 is, when we add 1 to this one, 1 get it. 199. Okay, 1. 9, 10. The 9 ones are 10. 2, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 200. Successor of 199 is 200. Okay, then this one. 1, 0, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 5 times 9 plus 1. 10. Again 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 5 zeros. 11 and 5 zeros. 4, 5 zeros. The successor. Okay. The last one. The starting one. Last digit is 670. Therefore, next is 671 only. That you know. Let's find out like this also. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay. By adding 1 to this number, we will get the successor of these numbers. This is like the predecessor. Predecessor means we have to subtract 1. 94. Predecessor of 94 is, without subtraction you can write this one, that is 93. Okay. Then 10,000. 10,000. What is the predecessor of 10,000? Minus 1. 9, 9, 9, 9. 9,999. So successor of 10,000. Okay. Then 20, 80 and 90. 20, 80, 90. Minus 1. 10 minus 1. 9. Then 8, 0, 8, 0, 2. Just 90. 90 minus 1 is 89. Okay. 20, 80, 89. The next successor. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Minus 1. 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 21. Successor. Predecessor of 21 is 20. Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0. This is the predecessor. Predecessor of 90 is 89. It's the last digit. Here predecessor of 21 is 20. Predecessor means subtract 1. Successor means add 1. Just remember. State which whole number is on the left of the other. Okay. Use these signs and we can know which one is greater and which one is smaller. Smaller is of the left side. That you know. This is this one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We take it 2 and 4. Which one is of the left side? Which one is coming? That is 2. That is the smallest one is 2. Smallest digit is of the left side. When we are moving to the right side, the value of these digits are increasing. Therefore, when we move to the left side, the value is decreasing. Okay, that means the smallest value is of the smallest digit. Okay, smallest digit is the left side and the greatest one is on the right side. Okay. So for finding which one is the left, we have to find which one is the smallest number. Here two numbers are there, 530 and 503. 530 and 503. Here, which one is the smallest one? You can find easily which one is the smallest. If we mark from 500, 500, then 501, 502, 503, etc. 510 will come, then etc. 520 is there, then 21, 22, 20 up to 29, then except 530. Okay, which one is the smallest one? That is 503 is the smallest one. Then which one is the left side? 503. Smallest one is on the left side. Okay, the first one that is on the left side. Smallest one is on the left side. 503 is on the left side of the number line. Therefore, 503 and 530. Which one is greater? 530 is the greatest one. The smallest one is of the left side. 370, 307. Which one is from the left side? 300. Then 305 in between. 301 is there, 2 is there, 5 is there. Then 307 is there, 306, 307 to 310, etc. Then 300, 20, 30 and 350 is there, 60 is there, then 370. But which one is on the left side? The smallest one is 307. That is on the left side. 307 is the left side and the smallest one is 307. This is the left side. Find which number is the smallest one. The next one is this one. 98,765. This is 56,785. By we can easily find out which one is smaller. This is 9. Starting from 9. This is starting from 5. Therefore, which one is smaller? 5. This is the smallest one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the smallest one. Therefore, the smallest one is on the left side. Left side is this number. And here, this is just count out the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7-digit number. 7-digit number. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an 8-digit number. The greatest one is 8-digit number. For smallest one is this 7-digit number. So this is the smallest one is on the left side. Greatest one is this one and this is the smallest one. This is on the left side of this number. Okay. These are true or false. 0 is the smallest natural number. Smallest natural number is 0. Natural numbers are counting numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, smallest natural number is 1. Here, the 0 is the smallest natural number, that is false. Then, 400 is the predecessor of 399. 400 is the predecessor of 399. Predecessor means comes before. That means 400, then next coming is 399. Is it true? Which one is the first one? 399. Then 400 will come. Na? 399 and the next one is 400. Which one is the predecessor? Predecessor is this 399. This is the predecessor. But here it is written 400 is the predecessor of 399. Actually 400 is the successor of 399. 400 is coming after 399. Therefore, 400 is the predecessor means this one is also false. Next, 0 is the smallest whole number. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And the smallest whole number is 0. That is true. Then 600 is the successor of 599. 600 is the successor. That means 600 is coming after 599. After 599 plus 1. 599 plus 1 is 600. Therefore, this is also true. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Whole numbers is from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Then natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. That means all the natural numbers are including in the whole number set. All the natural numbers are whole number. Here, all whole numbers are natural numbers. All whole number means 0 is a whole number, but 0 is not a natural number. Therefore, this is false. Then the predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single-digit number. predecessor of a two-digit number never be single digit. If 10 is a two-digit number, then predecessor of 10 is 9. Okay, 9 is a single digit number. For here it is written predecessor of a two-digit number never be a single digit number. But 9 is a single digit, 10 is a two-digit number, and predecessor is this 9, that is single digit number. Therefore, this is false. This is possible. Then 1 is the smallest whole number. Whole number start from 0. Then 1 is the smallest whole number is false. 1 is the smallest natural number. Predecessor means backward. 1 behind this natural number is starting from 1. Therefore, it has no predecessor. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. That is false because 0 is there. 0, 1. Predecessor of 1 is 0. Then the whole number 13 lies in between 11 and 12. In between 11 and 12 nothing is there. After the 12 13 is there. Therefore, this is a false. Then the whole number 0 has no predecessor. That is true. Whole number 0 has no predecessor. Then the successor of a two-digit number is always a two-digit number. The successor of 99 is a two-digit number and the successor is 100. Therefore, the successor of two-digit number may be a three-digit also. Okay. Therefore, the successor of a two-digit number is always two-digit is false. Okay. This is the last true or false. This is enough for today.